In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom field in Salesforce CRM step by step. To get started, navigate to salesforce.com and make sure you're logged in to your Salesforce account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the screen to access the settings area. Next, click on Fields. This is where you can manage and create custom fields for different Salesforce objects. Here, choose where you want your custom field to appear, such as opportunities, accounts, contacts, or any other available object. After making your selection, click Next to continue. On the next screen, customize your field according to your needs. You can configure the field details and settings based on the type of information you want to store. After you're done with the customization, click Next. You'll then see a field summary displaying all the details and settings you've provided. Take a moment to review the information and make sure everything looks correct. Finally, click Save to create the custom field. And that's how you can create a custom field in Salesforce CRM.